friends, here's a packet of fun to do with the beach. Such as, here's the sun. You can cut these out and put them together as a puzzle, and it spells out sun, S-U-N. This one spells out ball, B-A-L-L. You can put your finger on the dots as you spell, and you can also put them together. There's some more of those that you can play with. Here's letter S. Some things on here that start with letter S. Sun, surfboard, sandcastle. Here's some sorting. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Which one of these pictures would go here too? There's a lot more in this packet. Here's some numbers that you can do. A whole bunch of those. Here's some tracing, such as the sound, the lion. He would go to L. Down here is an urchin. So you would make a line all the way up to U for urchin. Here's some more tracing letters. And here you're going to draw the correct number on the tree. For example, this needs 7 flowers. So you can put 7 items like flowers on here. You can draw them, or you could use sequins or stickers, whatever you choose. Here's a sharing activity. Here's an activity to finish the pattern. Watermelon, sun, watermelon, sun, watermelon. What would come next? The sunshine, right. And you'll find all of those here. You're going to cut that out and put it on here. And that's our packet. Have lots of fun with it, friends. Bye.